Welcome everyone to this incredible journey across our amazing planet Earth. The world we live on is full with mysteries, hidden truths, unbelievable science, and natural wonders that most people never even realize exist. From oceans deeper than imagination to invisible forces protecting human life every second, Earth is far more extraordinary than we think. In today's video, we will explore 15 unbelievable facts about Earth that sound almost impossible, yet they are completely real. Some facts will inspire you, some may shock you, and some might completely change the way you see our planet forever. So sit back, relax, and prepare to discover the hidden wonders of Earth. Out of billions of planets in the universe, Earth remains the only known planet capable of supporting complex life. Think about this for a moment. The perfect balance of oxygen, gravity, water, temperature, atmosphere, and magnetic protection all work together with unbelievable precision. If Earth were slightly closer to the Sun, the life would have burned. If it were slightly farther away, life would freeze. This delicate balance makes Earth feel less like a random accident and more like a masterpiece of cosmic engineering. But despite living here every day, most humans still know very little about how extraordinary this planet truly is. So today we begin uncovering those hidden truths. Scientists have discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system. Some are massive gas giants, some are rocky worlds, some may even contain water, but so far, Earth is still the only known planet where life naturally exists. This means every tree, every ocean, every animal, and every human being represents something incredibly rare in the universe. The conditions needed for life are unbelievable complex. Stable atmosphere, liquid water, protective magnetic field, and the right chemical ingredients. The more scientists study the universe, the more extraordinary Earth becomes. This fact reminds us that life itself may be one of the rarest treasures in existence. Earth is often called the blue planet because over 70% of its surface is covered with water. But here is the shocking truth: about 97% of that water is salt water from oceans. Only around 3% is the fresh water, and most of that fresh water is trapped inside glaciers and ice caps. This means the amount of easily accessible drinking water on Earth is extremely limited. Many people assume water is endless because oceans look infinite. But clean drinking water is actually one of the planet's most precious and vulnerable resources. This fact teaches humanity an important lesson. Abundance can sometimes create the illusion of unlimited supply. Deep beneath your feet lies one of the most extreme environments in the entire solar system. Earth's inner core reaches temperature of nearly 5,500 degrees Celsius and almost as hot as the surface of the sun itself. This incredible heat comes from radioactive decay and leftover energy from Earth's formation billions of years ago. The core is made mostly of iron and nickel under enormous pressure. Without this hot, rotating core, Earth would lose its magnetic field and life would become nearly impossible because harmful solar radiation would directly strike the planet. So, even though humans rarely think about the Earth's core, it silently protects civilization every single second. Believe it or not, Earth's rotation is slowly slowing down. Millions of years ago, a full day on Earth lasted only about 18 hours. Today, it lasts around 24 hours because the moon's gravity gradually affects Earth's rotation over time. The change is incredibly tiny, only milliseconds per century, but over millions of years, it becomes significant. This means dinosaurs experienced shorter days than humans do today. It's fascinating to realize that time itself on Earth is not completely fixed. The planet is constantly evolving, even in ways humans cannot easily notice. Earth is surrounded by an invisible protective force called the magnetosphere. This magnetic field acts like a giant shield that protects the planet from deadly solar radiation and charged particles from the sun. Without it, Earth's atmosphere could slowly get disappear, just like what scientists believe happened on the Mars. This invisible shield also creates one of the most beautiful natural phenomena on the Earth, the northern and the southern lights. The next time you see images of colorful auroras in the sky, remember that beauty is actually Earth defending life. Most people believe Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on the earth, but that depends on how you measure it. Everest is the highest mountain above sea level. However, Mauna Kea in Hawaii is taller when measured from its underwater base to its peak. Most of Mauna Kea remains hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. This fact reminds us that perception often depends on perspective. What appears smaller on the surface may actually be much larger beneath it. Nature constantly challenges human assumptions. Humanity has explored the moon more thoroughly than many parts of Earth's oceans. More than 80% of the oceans remain unmapped and largely unexplored. Scientists continue discovering strange creatures, underwater volcanoes, deep sea ecosystems, and mysterious geological formations. Some ocean species look so unusual that they seem almost alive. The oceans remind humanity how much we still do not know about our own planet. Despite all modern technology, Earth still contains enormous, mysterious mysteries waiting to be discovered. Earth experiences around 8 million lightning strikes every single day. That means lightning constantly surrounds the planet somewhere at almost every moment. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun and releases enormous energy in fractions of a second. While it can be destructive, lightning also plays an important role in Earth's natural systems by helping nitrogen enter the soil. Nature often combines beauty, danger, and balance at the same time. Antarctica may look like an empty frozen continent, but it contains around 70% of Earth's fresh water locked in ice. If all Antarctica ice melted, sea levels worldwide would rise dramatically, affecting millions of people globally. This frozen continent plays a major role in regulating Earth's climate system. Although Antarctica seems distant from everyday life, its stability directly impacts humanity's future. Today, the Sahara is one of the hottest deserts on the earth, but thousands of years ago, it was filled with rivers, vegetation, lakes, and the wildlife. Climate changes gradually transformed it into a desert over the time. This shows how dramatically Earth can change naturally over long periods. The planet we know today has continuously transformed throughout history, and it will continue evolving in the future. Every day, thousands of meteors enter Earth's atmosphere. Most burn up completely before reaching the ground because Earth's atmosphere acts like a protective barrier. Without this atmospheric shield, impacts would occur far more frequently and life would be much more dangerous. Humanity often overlooks how many invisible systems silently protect life every moment. Scientists have discovered tiny mineral crystals on Earth that are older than the Moon itself. Some zircon crystals are over 4.4 billion years old. These ancient materials provide clues about Earth's earliest history shortly after the planet gets formed. Holding such a rock would mean touching something older than many planetary surfaces in our solar system. Beneath Antarctica's thick ice sheets lies hidden rivers and lakes that scientists continue discovering. Some have remained isolated for millions of years. Researchers believe these environments may contain unique forms of microbial life adapted to extreme conditions. These discoveries expand humanity's understanding of how life survives in difficult environments, even beyond the Earth. Einstein's theory of relativity revealed something extraordinary. Gravity and motion affect time itself because Earth rotates, time moves slightly differently depending on gravity and the speed. Satellites used for GPS systems must account for these tiny differences or navigation would become inaccurate. This means modern technology depends on understanding how Earth influences time itself. Scientists estimate there are around 3 trillion trees on the Earth. That number may actually exceed the estimated number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. This surprising comparison changes how humans view nature. Sometimes the greatest wonders are not only in the outer space, they are already surrounding us every day. Now comes one of the most controversial questions. Can human activity damage Earth faster than nature can recover? Some experts warn that pollution, deforestation, and climatic changes are pushing Earth systems toward dangerous instability. Others argue that Earth has survived massive natural disasters before and remains resilient. The truth may lie somewhere in between. Earth is powerful, but human actions still influence the quality of life for future generations. This debate is not only for scientific, it is deeply ethical and emotional. Climate change discussions often create strong opinions worldwide. Some people question how severe global warming truly is. Others believe urgent action is necessary immediately. Scientists generally agree that human generated greenhouse gases contribute significantly to rising global temperatures. However, debates continue about solutions, economic impacts, and long term strategies. Understanding both science and public concerns is important for meaningful discussions. Plastic pollution, ocean contamination, air pollution and deforestation have become major global concerns. Millions of tons of plastic enters oceans every year, harming marine life and ecosystems. Forests disappear rapidly in many regions, reducing biodiversity and affecting the climatic systems. The challenge for humanity is balancing development with sustainability. The future of Earth depends heavily on decisions humans make today. Despite challenges, there is also hope. Renewable energy technologies, reforestation projects, wildlife conservation, and environmental awareness are growing worldwide. Many countries are investing in cleaner energy systems and sustainable innovation. Younger generations are also becoming more environmentally conscious than ever before. Positive change becomes possible when awareness transforms into action. Earth gives humanity everything necessary for the life: air, water, food, beauty, shelter, and countless natural wonders. Yet people often focus only on problems and forget how extraordinary this planet truly is. Gratitude changes perspective. The more humans appreciate Earth, the more likely they are to protect it. Sometimes the greatest form of intelligence is learning to value what already exists. From hidden oceans beneath ice to invisible shields in the space to ancient rocks older than the moon, Earth continues proving that reality is often more unbelievable than fiction. The deeper humans explore the planet, the more mysterious and fascinating it becomes. And perhaps the greatest mystery of all is this: how much more still remains undiscovered. Now I want to hear from you. Which Earth fact shocked you the most? Do you believe humanity is protecting Earth enough? What mystery about Earth would you love scientists to solve next? Write your thoughts in the comments below. Your ideas, opinions, and discussions help this community grow stronger. People are naturally attracted to mystery, science, controversy, and emotional storytelling. Topics like hidden worlds, unbelievable facts, Earth mysteries, and future predictions create strong curiosity. That curiosity increases clicks, watch time, and engagement. A powerful thumbnail, emotional title, and surprising facts together can dramatically increase your YouTube CTR and impressions. Thank you for joining this journey through the unbelievable wonders of Earth. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content about science, mystery, psychology, and the universe. And remember, Earth is not just a planet, it is humanity's only home. Protect it, respect it, and never stop exploring its mysteries.